how to add bio on tweets. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add a bio. So first thing, go to your tweet app and then you will go to your profile, then click on edit profile, then you will find here bio. All you need to do is tap on it and, for example, write anything. So for example, and click on the check icon, and this is it guys, easy and quick. Click on done at the top and here you go. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next one.